Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a Be Right Back screen for OBS. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to canva.com. Once you're on the page, log in using your credentials. Now, if you already have a Be Right Back file saved on your computer, you can skip this entire creation process and jump straight to adding it to OBS later in this tutorial. At the center of the Canva homepage, click on the search bar and type Be Right Back Stream Screen, then press enter. This will bring up a variety of templates specifically designed for streaming breaks. Take a moment to browse through the results and select a template that matches your style. If you're using a free Canva account, make sure to avoid any premium templates, as those will have a watermark or require a paid subscription to download. Once you've found a template you like, click Customize this template. This opens the editor where you can personalize your screen. You can customize any text element by simply clicking on it and replacing it with whatever message you want. Maybe you want to add your channel name, change the colors to match your branding, or adjust the fonts. Take your time here and customize it according to your preferences until it looks exactly how you want it. When you're satisfied with your design, click the Share button in the upper right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, click Download. A new panel will open with download options, so click Download again to proceed with saving your file. Now, you'll need to wait a few seconds or maybe a minute while Canva processes and downloads your Be Right Back screen to your computer. Next, open your OBS application. Navigate to the Scenes panel and click the plus icon below it to create a new scene. A dialog box will appear, so just click OK to confirm. This new scene will be dedicated to your Be Right Back screen, keeping it separate from your main streaming setup. In the bottom left of OBS, find the Sources panel and click the plus icon there. From the list that appears, select Media, then click OK. On the right side of the window that opens, click the Browse button. This will let you search through your computer files. Locate the Be Right Back file you just downloaded from Canva, select it, and click Open to add it to OBS. Now, here's an important step. Look for the loop option below the drop-down menu and check the box beside it. This ensures your Be Right Back screen plays continuously without stopping, which is exactly what you want during a break. Once that's checked, click OK to finalize the settings. If the screen doesn't fit perfectly, you can resize it by clicking on it and dragging the corners until it fills your canvas properly. And that's it. You've successfully created and added a Be Right Back screen to OBS that will loop continuously whenever you need to step away from your stream. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.